Here comes Becky and Trey, and Uncle Josh is giving them a good push. Go a little ways. We don't have a real good hill here. Woo!
I know the trick is, Mom. You don't lean that way to go that way. You lean that way to go that way, and that way to go that way. Oh, all right. We'll try that again. I know the trick. No, here. You gotta hike up here.
There they go. Woo! Oh. Trey doesn't care.
Let's go do it now, Trey.
Yeah, I'll go be on fast now.
Woo! Oh.
Hello.
Whoops, here comes Joshy.
Taking video or picture?
I'm taking a video. Woo!
Yay.
And here comes Trey. Come up the hill. You gotta walk. Nobody.
Oh, that one boulder.
Oh, here comes Becky. Dang it. Do it again. I missed it.
I don't think we can do that one again.
Oh my gosh.
All right, Trey, your turn. Try just a few more times.
Okay, we think Trey's got it down now. Pretty darn good. If you lay back like a bobsledder, you get some action here. It goes a little faster.
Yeah, buddy.
Woohoo! Good job, Trey. He has to stop to eat the snow. Even though the snow's a week old, he's enjoying it, eating it.
No one could beat me.
You're the best. Here comes Uncle Josh. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Trey's the winner still.
Warm, I guess.
Hey.
Kept hitting rocks and takes you off course. Yeah.
A little too heavy for this
Yeah.
toboggan in the snow. This is the last run. Here he comes. Yeah, this is a good one. Comes our bobsledder. Oh, kind of got stuck in a rut. Hang on. Oh, here. Let's see it, Josh.
Not much of a float.
There he goes.
Run!
Run!